Hi guys, Andy from Vapeable here. I'm here today to talk to you about concentrates, one-shots, enhancers, how to get to grip with concentrates, and how to choose the right concentrates. What are concentrates? Concentrates are the flavours that go into your liquid. They come as concentrated food grade flavours. This gives you a chance to mix your favourite flavours or to experiment making your own. One-shots are somebody else's recipe which is already being made up for you with the right percentages, so all you need to do is add the recommended mixture on the bottle, your base mix and your nicotine. Just think of it as baking a cake. You get your cake mix and you add your egg and your milk. In our case it would be base mix and nicotine along with your one shot. Enhancers are also concentrates. They are added to the recipe to enhance or combine the flavours together. For example, you could have ethyl methyl, sweetener and super sweet, and then you can have coolants, which will consist of menthol, cool ardour or WS-23. They tend to be added in very small amounts. Using too much of an enhancer can spoil the flavour or cause harshness to the throat. Choosing the right concentrates. It's important when choosing your flavours to think, what do you enjoy most in a vape? Are you more of a fruity person, or do you prefer dessert flavours such as custard or tarts? By choosing what you already enjoy in your day-to-day vape, it makes it easier to choose flavours. So for example, with your percentages, as a rule of thumb, I would not tend to go over 20%. That's just down to it becoming too harsh. However, this isn't a hard rule, as some flavours do go up to 24%, as you can probably find online. Just don't be afraid to experiment. We recommend starting at 10 to 15% and going from there. You can always add more if it's too weak, but you can't take any out. Using the right concentrates tends to be a lot of trial and error. Be prepared to either make a new favourite juice or something that doesn't taste great. Getting to grips with concentrates. I suggest investing in some 1ml syringes, 10ml syringes and 50ml syringes to make it easier for yourself. Less is often more. Simple recipes tend to be the best. I suggest using 2 to 3 concentrates of the same manufacturer at first, as it's easier to replicate and can be easier to dilute together. There is a recommended percentage on our product page. If we're mixing 2 together, I tend to halve it, unless it's an enhancer. From everyone here at Vapeable, happy mixing and stay safe.